From nothingness to abundance. Hi, my name's Ty Jackson, and here's my personal brand about me. Who am I? Mission statement. Mission, goals, values. Key achievements. What have I achieved? Languages and cultural experiences. Any experiences that have impacted my life. Business expertise. What is my relationship with business? 6. Thank you. About me. My name's Ty Alexander Jackson. I come from a bloodline of achieving the American dream. Hard work and never settling is something engraved into my being. What I mean by this is that in this top right corner, I have my great grandparents, and in the top left, I have my grandparents with with my mom and some of my uncles. My great grandparents came to this country in the 50s, being immigrants from Mexico, with only a van and 13 kids. To provide for his kids, my great grandfather often slept outside of his car or went looking for jobs, where he soon opened a taco shop, now growing into a well-known one around San Diego, and it's even moved into Las Vegas, called Roberto's. Mission statement. My mission: to succeed my parents. Now what I mean by this is not to succeed them, literally, but it means to do something who maybe I can look to the future and be someone I'm proud of, or someone that makes my parents proud of, or my grandparents, for example. My goals: achieve my bachelor's, master's, and start help a small company grow to be a household brand. Values are my middle name, Alex. The first three letters, which means A for accountability, L for leadership, and E for ethic. And the X is just close that off. Key achievements. Throughout high school, I was involved in sports. Actually, my whole life, I played about 15 years of sports, where they taught me different things and aspects that I still use to this every day of my everyday life. I'm the only grandchild in the family business to have a lot of practice inside the restaurants, where I've learned front of house, back of house, and I pretty much know the business from the inside better than any grandchild. I'm the only child of my immediate family to have a 4.0 throughout high school, ranking top 10 of 1,500 students for about 2 years. Languages and cultural experiences. I come from an African and Mexican American descent. Total, I've stayed in Mexico for about months when you add up all the time I've been there. And I'm proficient in Spanish. Being my Spanish was my first language, I actually forgot it when I started going to school and picked it up again maybe about senior year to after high school working in a Mexican environment. Business expertise. I've worked in the family business for about 5 years now. I've seen a lot of restaurant and business deals and such from inside. I've gained leadership, mentorship skills, and have been held accountable. Learned to lead by example, meaning the young people or people that come in and don't take it as serious. Maybe if you do it first and show them how to do it, every so often it'll just start rubbing off and it'll spread the knowledge of how you do things. I've witnessed business deals and secondhand experiences that what businesses go through, good and bad. A quote by Pico Ayer is, "American dreams are strongest and those who have seen America only in their dreams." Now, I understand that I was born in the United States, but seeing what my grandparents and my great grandparents have achieved here can only show me so much of how not easy, but it is to maintain and achieve the dream, and that I'm born here, it gives me that much more of an advantage. Short-term goals. I would like to transfer to SDSU to attain my bachelor's, my master's. I want to excel in my work and maybe take up a higher position soon after school. Learn about investing, business, and spreading my wealth, meaning Roth IRA, real estate, things like that, which lead me to my long-term goals of creating a company, owning real estate, and be someone who makes others and myself proud. And of course, just to be happy, content, as that's the main goal of life. And this is it. Thank you. And if you have any questions, this is my email, this is my number. Appreciate